In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Asana workspace into an Asana organization. This process is straightforward and can help you unlock more advanced features that come with using an organization instead of a workspace. So, follow along as we walk through the steps together. To begin this transformation, you'll need to ensure you have a work email associated with your Asana account. A work email is crucial because it signifies a domain associated with a larger organization, which is a requirement when converting your workspace into an organization. So, let's get started by adding that work email. First, navigate to your profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of your Asana dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on your profile icon, you'll notice a menu option that says Settings. Click on this to delve into your account's settings, providing you access to configurations and preferences. Within the settings, head over to the Account section. Here, look for the Manage Emails area. The next step is to click on Add New Email, where you can input your work-specific email address. Adding this new email is necessary. Make sure you have access to it, as you might need to verify it. After you've successfully entered and added your new email, the page should update to reflect this addition. With this step complete, it's time to return to your profile icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard. But this time, instead of going to Settings, select the Admin Console. This is where you will initiate the conversion process. Inside the Admin Console, direct your attention to the Settings tab. The settings within this console are distinct from your personal settings and control various administrative aspects of your work within Asana. Within these settings, there's a specific option labeled Convert to Organization. Clicking on this option will begin the conversion of your workspace into an organization. And just like that, you're all set. The system will handle the transformation for you. By converting to an organization, you'll now have access to features that cater to larger teams, such as better collaboration tools and enhanced security options. This setup is ideal for companies wanting to streamline their operations using Asana. That wraps up our guide on converting an Asana workspace into an organization. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you feel more confident navigating Asana's settings. If there are any more topics or tutorials you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing with Asana.